So in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Ethereum, ticker symbol ETH in Canada using Wealthsimple Trade. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, I want you to go into your crypto account right here and then go to where it says trade. Now at the top where it says search, you can either type in ticker symbol ETH or you can type in Ethereum. So if I type in ETH right here, the second option down is Ethereum. Under cryptocurrency, select that. Now once you're on this screen, go to the bottom left and press buy. Now once you're here, you can type in the amount of crypto, or I guess in this case, the amount of Ethereum that you want to buy. So if I wanted to do $2 worth, for example, it'll show you how much Ethereum you're purchasing, and if all looks good and you want to proceed, press on review. Then simply review the transaction here as well as the fees and the total, and if all looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press submit order, and there you go. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can buy Ethereum in Canada using Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.